Hi, this is Abby Rogers with Dry Steam. In this video, I'm going to walk through everything you need to have on hand and know in advance for a smooth installation of the Humiditech or CRUV electric to steam humidifier. Let's start with the tools and supplies you will need. Basic hand tools, open end and box wrenches, a set of nut drivers or a drill with driver bits, mounting hardware, field supplied piping, field supplied wiring, and of course, the Humiditech or CRUV IOM. Now we'll walk through the components and connection points you'll be working with during installation. Required electrical power and field wiring as depicted in the IOM and wiring diagrams. Proper grounding and an approved earth ground are provided by others. Supply water and drain piping as depicted in the IOM. A fill valve supply water connection for tap, softened RO or DI water, steam hose, tubing or piping to dispersion, demand signal, transmitter, humidistat, VDC or milliamps or backnet control and monitoring, airflow proving switch, duct high limit, and the installation may be multi-tank units or standalone humidifiers. Before you head out to the installation site, here are some things you should verify. The installation location is clear, with clearances as shown in the IOM. Power, water, and drain connection points have been installed and are operational. That you have the IOM and a USB stick with the current controller firmware version. And that you have Ethernet cable and a laptop in case you need a direct connection to the VaporLogic controller board. When everything at the worksite is ready to go, installation will take 1 or 2 workdays, depending on the system. Once installed, fill and startup time will vary depending on the application and system size, ranging from 5 to 15 minutes. Do not leave the humidifier unattended during the initial startup procedure. Now you have all the information you need to properly prepare for a smooth installation of the Humiditech or CRUV electric to steam humidifier. Taking time to plan and check ahead of installation day will save time in the field and prevent unnecessary return trips.